Alright, we're back. So we need a hammer, very important. Need some fancy spray, CRC. So we have, I touched the greasy thing. So we got a sleeve that fits over that to the metal. So we can beat on this going right down. With this to go through it once we get through it, but before we go through we can hit it with a bigger one, which is this one right here, like that until it gets to flush. We move on that. When we go the other direction, we got this one where it's hollow. It's like that, you flip it over, and now you hit this one right here like that, and you go that direction. And we go back and forth. You got to get the rust to break free. Once it breaks free, then it'll come out. Somebody got greasy to touch something. So you got to get the move. Once it moves, you're golden. It might require some heat. Wouldn't surprise me if it does. Okay, damn, tighten that damn thing. Oh, that thing is tight. There we go. Loosen up the clamp. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We're going to try to get this thing pounded out. First thing I do is spray it. Magic formula on there. Okay, I think we're going to try to go down with it. So that's going to be this one. Put this one right here, and we're going to tap on it. Ooh, it moved pretty easy. Okay, that's solid now. So now we flip it over. Put the tube on the inside here. Go this direction. Take this one, beat on it this way, and all the way down, coming down. So I'm going to go back the other way with it, probably just hit it with a hammer. That one's pretty tight still. Now this tube won't fit here because it's too small, too big I mean. Okay, so now we'll go back and forth a couple times. A little easier. I'm going to try these, push it all the way through. And she's through. Boom. So now that's out. No damage on anything. Nice and clean, so we can save that. Not hurting any. And this one here, you can see the rust that we had problem. So luckily it freed up enough to come out without doing any damage. I'll go ahead and blast this clean, get all the rust off, and then it'll go up and down that real easy. Now I'm also going to blast the inside of this a little bit to make it look better. I'm not going to blast the outside because to me that's nice polish there. We can lightly clean up a little bit of polish and call it done. I like kind of old polish anyway on my parts, so my camera a little low there. So I don't like super shiny polish, and I don't like straight sandblast, but we'll do that on the inside. This has a big layer of grease and I gotta get out of there first. Alright, so helps to have some tools you use that don't do damage. You can also use nylon sleeves, pieces of wood, stuff like that. But try not to beat on stuff with a steel hammer like I touched it there. This is heat treated, so if you start beating on it really hard with a steel hammer like this, you will split it, crack it, definitely destroy it. So try to refrain from doing too much of that. Now this here is nice and clean on this side. I don't need to blast this at all. I just need to blast this right in here to get this cleaned up. The rest of it's nice and clean. So this thing got stuck in some water or something, so that's why it looks like this. Alright, let me get this cleaned up. We'll be back.